What we've got here is in our laundry room. We fixing to pot up these plants. We rigged up a light on the table so we can keep it inside. Alright, what we're fixing to do is pot up some seedlings. We've got a 100-watt light bulb in this here. We're in our laundry room. I don't have a good window. My only window's right over there, and it's on the south side of the north side of the house. So, but this is my seeds. All heirloom seeds. We ordered from Baker Creek this time. Cherokee purple, hillbilly potato leaf, and a brandywine. Supposed to be a large tomato. And here's some cayenne pepper that I raised. And right here, what I did, I already done this. I took my finger and I just drug me a ditch and I just sprinkled the one whole pepper. I opened up a habanero I put here. In the center I put jalapeno. And on this side I put a different cayenne that I grew. This particular cayenne, the plant itself grew about 3 foot tall. It was almost up to my chest. Large peppers, and they were good. This was a smaller cayenne, so that's why I have 2 cayennes. But now we're going to plant some various things, and I'm not going to put all right now. I have already put the brandywine in just this 6-pack because I'm not going to do all this at one time in case frost happens, whatever. I'm going to keep them inside for the most part. But what I am doing here is, if you can tell, I have labeled for that square tray, that one. This is how I'm going to know what's in here. I've got me a simple address book. I've got all kind of stuff that I keep wrote down. This is how I mark my chickens and different things. This is what I'm going to do. I'm writing brandywine. This will be how I know this without this being labeled. But I will mark this tray so that if somebody else comes in here and turns the tray around or picks them up, moves them, I will put me some markers in this. I hadn't figured out yet just what I'm going to do, but I will know. So what we're doing is we're taking this, and I've got me a feed sack laying here just to catch a little extra water, but I'm not going to just dump water everywhere. Now what I'm doing is putting about 2 seeds to each one of those cells. Now what I did is I take my finger right over here and I get me 2 seeds, slide them up to the edge of this sack, and I'm dropping them, I'm splitting them apart. I put one on this side, one on that side. There's a purpose for that. Okay, now I'm going to take this right here and I'm going to mash that seed down in there a little over 1/4 inch, and I'm going to mash this one down in here. Okay, now the reason I put one on one side and one on the other is when I get 2 plants in there I can separate them. If I push them down in there together, then I can't hardly separate them. Okay, back to the seeds. We're in our laundry room, and you can hear the washing machine and the dryer over here going. You'll just have to excuse that. That's part of real life. Fortunately, I'm not having to do the laundry tonight. My wife and daughter is taking care of that. And I'm in here playing with my seeds. Now it's 1st of March. What I'm hoping is to have this ready to go in the ground around April's, at least by May. So I can keep these in a cup. I'll transplant them to some cups. I can keep them for as long as I need to. I may have to move them to bigger pots, but I can take them once they get a little older. We'll be past our bad cold weather, but now tonight it is 24 degrees in the morning. It was 24 this morning. Okay, we've got 2 more here. I'm gonna put them back in the pack. And I'm gonna seal my pack back down. And I do want y'all to know I have a tripod ordered for this camera. You have to not deal with me jerking the camera and shaking it all around. Okay, I get excited when I'm talking and doing. I'm jerking the camera and moving it all around. I know I'm hard to watch. I get excited. If you ain't excited about what you're doing, it ain't worth doing. Quit and find something else. Sit on the couch and watch TV. Okay, now hillbilly potato leaf. Let's write that over here. Alright, I strategically put them where I had more room to write. I'll just write Cherokee on this one. I'm going to put it in this tray. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do this. I'm going to cut the camera off and finish this. But you see a little about what my setup. I've just got a regular 100-watt light bulb in there. Now, I have not done it like this before. I've usually put them in a window or whatever. But we're going to try this little setup. We'll tune you back in later and let you check on, see how things is doing. We'll be checking on eggs. You can see my incubator over there running. We've got chickens coming off. All right.